When you start connecting the dots and seeing how one impact triggers reactions and triggers consequences in other areas, you begin to grasp a different understanding of the, quote, system. In the Colorado River, starting at the upper basin, we move the water out of the basin. In Wyoming, we move it to Cheyenne. In Colorado, we go across the Continental Divide to the Front Range cities. Cross over to Utah. Central Utah Project takes the water all the way to the Wasatch Front. Come down to New Mexico. It moves it out of the Colorado River watershed to the Rio, to Albuquerque. Las Vegas uses it. 300 plus miles of Central Arizona Project Aqueduct goes to the central cities from Phoenix all the way down to Tucson. On the other side, it goes all the way to the coastal cities of Southern California. Because Metropolitan Water District of Southern California takes half its water from the Colorado River and half of its water from the Sacramento Bay Delta, they're connected. What happens in the Bay Delta matters in Cheyenne. It is one huge plumbing system that is intricately connected. When you start looking at the system in those terms, it changes your perspective.
The Southwest in its back pocket has